Hello again to a new video from the 7th floor division. This time I worked alone on a target given to me by somebody on YouTube, the same person that gave me the previous target. It seems to be again a petroglyph, but I completely ignored the link that he or she gave me into the comment and went to ascribe this number to the target, and then this thing, I drew this thing as an ideogram, then started probing it with this whiteboard marker. And for this region here, I got these words: arid, diagram, soil, burned, shaking, earthquake. So it seems to be something dynamical here which happened. For the B section of this ideogram, which resembles to me a lot like an almost flat terrain with some natural structure here. And for B, I got these words: sensible, Namibia. I do not know what connection has this target with Africa. Goldstone, temporal disease, Africa again. Roger Stone, maybe. Thrown off. Then going to the C area, I got this: shoot, landing, casting, gear, cosmopolite. And at D, which is this area here, I've got this word: taking off. So if we observe all these words here, we have something described as coming here, landing here, perhaps with a parachute, casting something using some kind of gear, and then taking off. Then I got this structure here, I called it E, and it seems to be connected to this spot here. And for E I got this bushes, grass, pattern, linear. So, and there is F. I couldn't locate F on this ideogram here, but the words are immense, huge, vapor, cracked stone, structure, viewed from top, possibly. Then I went to I tried to see again what is this E structure about, and I actually put E and made this ideogram and began unpacking this. So I'm making here a style of my own because it seems that the standard style is not very well suited for me, because I cannot follow it. Once I'm going into a target, the data simply comes and I cannot control it. Let's say now I want only colors to see, when it's not colors that I see structures, I hear words. There are whole ideas coming into my mind, so why shouldn't I write these down? And then if there's the case that I perceive any type of color, then I can do simply as I did with this target. I'm taking a portion, or I'm taking a portion of this ideogram. I'm naming it B, and then I'm unpacking it separately here. Maybe I'm going to do a special ideogram only for this section, which will help me unpack more data about B, for example, as I did here for E. And this is the ideogram that I got for E. And I got these words: Abercrombie, atmospheric, disease, phenomenon, synthetic, metamorphosis, alien structure, volcanoid, is this word really existing, and oroplast. Then Ciudad de Mexico, Comunidad, and then all these nations: Portuguese, Espanol, Arab, French. For F, I've got only this thing here for now, and the word central. Then I tried again to access the whole target using the ascribed number, sorry. I got suddenly this idea that this area has been shaped by an atomic explosion. So if the petroglyph is from Rinconada, again New Mexico, then I think that the people that gave me the target are actually believing that this area may have been shaped a long time ago by some kind of nuclear explosion. And it could be only a coincidence that the US is doing or did nuclear tests precisely in the same area in 1945. The well-known Trinity test has taken place there in New Mexico. So the words for 1112 again: cracked open, door, permission, cornerstone, nuclear/alien communication, satellite. Then I proposed to myself to explore more this F structure that you see here, and I wrote F here, and these are the things that began coming out. Simply doing an ideogram and letting my hand fill in the space with whatever my subconscious is dictating it to do. And I've got this structure here which seems to be under a mountain. And my intuition told me that we have here fire, brimstone, gases, potassium, maybe chemical elements under a mountain. Then again for F, I let my hand draw, and here's what I got. We have here a structure of some sort. I feel it as being made out of stone or concrete, maybe. And these are the words: composed, uranium enriching material. And then I got this idea that the petroglyph that has been given to me is not the actual target, but it is a nested coordinate. So I think whomever gave me this target simply was not didn't mean for me to find out why that petroglyph, which anyway I didn't watch before making this session. I clicked the link, but it has no connection with everything that I told you about here. So I think this petroglyph is actually the coordinate, and behind this coordinate there is the real target, which may be a facility, perhaps a facility where there are nuclear tests going on, and some other secret stuff that I don't know about yet. So this is the first part that I reserved for this target, and I hope you enjoy it.